channel. It's your girl, Carcy Denise. If this is your very first video, what up, y'all? I'm so glad you clicked on it. But before you go, you gotta hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because I need y'all to be part of my family. I need y'all to know when I drop a video, all that good stuff. So yeah, you go ahead and do it. If you're a returning family member, what up, cousins? You already know how we do it, okay? As you guys have read from the title, this is another headband wig, and I did get this wig off of Amazon from a company called Eyelissom. I think it's Eyelissom. That's how it looks like it's pronounced, but everything will be down below. So this is their 6-inch pixie cut headband wig, and I'm not gonna lie, when I pulled it out, I was like, nobody, this was sus. But she's actually really cute, y'all. Like, I haven't had a pixie cut or a really short cut headband wig, so I'm actually really feeling her. Like, she's really giving me like that TWA, if you big chop, you know, that's the type of vibe she's giving me. Like, the hair is super soft, the curls are so cute. I did brush them out a little bit so they weren't so uniformed and so tight. But yes, y'all, I like this. Like, this is cute. These headband wigs are showing out, y'all. They giving y'all variety. They giving y'all, you know, everything, okay? Cause sus, I would have never thought to get a pixie cut in a headband wig. I'm just saying, I probably would have never. But I'm glad, okay? I'm glad about it. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, you already know I got you. I'm going to drop that link down below so that way you can get your hands on her, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.